go right here.
Is there like the bigger the crack, the...
Say it one more time.
Is there the bigger the crack, the bigger the... No, I'm just kidding. No, like the bigger the crack, does it mean anything in particular?
Usually it means it's more stuck.
Oh, got it.
But not always.
Close. What? Oh! Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you.
Laying your side facing towards me. But your head's gonna be here. On your side. There we go. And then scoot up to me. And we'll go right there.
This is a normal influencer pose for me right now. You know this.
But I'm gonna steal your headrest. Alright. Same thing back the other way.
Okay.
How'd that one go? Is it the least scary one?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna go there and there.
I feel like I know when to expect it.
This one.
Yeah.
So like that. Beautiful. Alright, lay it back. And scoot back just a little bit. These knees go here. Squeeze both legs together real hard. Squeeze it. There it is.
Ooh. What was that?
Should have been your pubic bone. Sit up and face that way. Is that what it felt like?
So what was that? Something in that area.
Yeah. Something down there.
Something in the general.
Now we're gonna lay on your back. Yeah, it's mostly there.
Ooh, wow. Oh my goodness.
There we go. Okay. This one's gonna come right in there.
Oh, wow. That's a doozy.
So less sore on that one?
Yes, I feel like it's a lot less tense.
Like it's moving now?
Yeah.
And then same thing there?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, this hand's gonna go right here. Take that hand and reach down towards your foot.
Oh.
And shrug. And reach.
It's ridiculous.
And shrug. And reach. And shrug. And one more time. Good. Relax the hand. Same thing over here. Reach down towards your foot. And shrug. And reach. So that's not as tight though. Yeah, a little leg length difference there.
Ooh. Ooh, my goodness. I'll be taller now.
There you go. And squeeze both legs together real hard. Squeeze. Shoulders
The
out
thigh
just a
master.
little bit. The thigh master.
Yeah, the thigh master movement.
What do we call those? The
Sharon
Stones?
Sharon Stones.
The good girl, bad girl?
Yeah.
There it was. Feel that little shift?
Mm-hmm.
Shoulders out just a little bit. Yeah. Is there no tension there anymore when I'm pulling?
Yeah.
First I couldn't do it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, much better. Let's go ahead and sit back up. We're going to spin face back to original direction. Hands go here. Push that one out again. Yeah, that's more solid. Go here. Thumb up, hold, thumb down, hold. So this arm goes back like that. I'm going to come right here. Go and reach that arm back. Never had your shoulder hammer before?
Never. Wow.
Wow. You know, wow was backwards, right? Keep going. Keep going. And push. There we go.
Oh yeah, look at that.
So up and down like that. I'm gonna hook you right there. Both hands go here. Okay, we'll scoop here and here. Deep breath in and blow it out. Okay, solid there. Okay, hands here. Cross them. I'm gonna go over the top here and look down all the way. Good there too. Damn. No T-spine. You got a flat spine.
What's that mean?
It means we're gonna have more tightness like lower here than in between the shoulder blades.
Huh.
Like there. It's probably good for what you do.
Yep.
Easier to get the shoulder blades back. And,
Yep. And this up.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Let's lay on your side, and your head's gonna be towards us though. Nice. Okay, we'll switch sides. Can I pop before we went?
I know.
That's good. All right, so take this leg here and you're gonna swing it off like that and then bring it back to here and keep doing that motion.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, not bad. Give yourself a big hug. So self-love. Okay, we're gonna roll you back over this. It's important. Okay, a little tighter with your arms. Yeah, there you go. Put it in there.
Oh, yeah, we got it.
Got it.
Money.
Put it on the board. Boom.
Nice.
Boom.
Some good cracks.
So amazing. I want to float away.
Got the moves.
Dang. Okay, girl.
Look how loose I am.
Get it.
Oh,
Get it.
yeah.
What I try to do is get the back. Hear this, all right? Oh, deep, 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 deep. Let's get him out. Triple in the thumb. Double in the thumb. Let's get that neck. Oh, quick, crunchy good. Amazing, amazing. Let's grab that hip, okay? And twist. Oh, I hope you heard that. It was so good. Flip it. Grab the hip. Twist. And I get all in here. All those deep cracks. I'm going to do my feet for you. Oh, a lot in the thumb. Let's get the other side. Oh, got some really, really good cracks there, my friends. Here we go. Double thumb. Let's get the other guys. Pulled the thumb and cracked it. Deep, 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 deep. Oh, crunchy cracks. You're gonna have to take off the rings to get the best crack. Pull. Bend. All right. Let's see if I can get some neck. Wow. Unexpected, amazing. Nicely. That was like a quintuple. Let's get them toes. Tingy, tingy. Amazing. Let's get the other one. Toes. Oh, deep, 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 deep. Oh, feels so good. Oh, amazing. One at a time. Amazing. Oh. Oh, deep. Telling you, feels so amazing every time. This way. Oh, deep ones, deep ones. I hope you heard that. Take your arm out. To the next side. Those were quiet, but they were there and they were deep. Amazing, amazing, Amazing. Oh, let's see what we got going on here. Amazing. Feels amazing. Oh, let's get the tips. Oh, amazing. Oh, amazing. What I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to get my hip too, okay? So, shh, let's see if we can hear it. Oh, deep. And I got that by extending out like this. Here we go. Deep. Try to pull the toe. Hold on. Got it. I'm going to scooch in, see if you can hear my hip. I know you definitely heard that. Okay. Here we go. Next side. Big toe. Deep. Scooch in.